Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Gary of Gary's Movies and Comics, and welcome to the channel and my first video. I'll be talking about movies that I either have or and recommend and just bought, and also I will be talking about comic books, doing unboxings, showing off runs, etc., etc. Um, Before I get started, please click the like button and the subscribe and the notification bell, all that stuff. And I also want to give a shout out to a couple of people that inspired me to do this. One is Chris from Journals, Comics and Pop Culture. Another one is Mr. Hat, movie reviews. He does horror movie reviews. And another channel that I'm on is Son of Sam Truth with Manny Grossman. The link should be down below in the description. So the first thing I want to do, I have a ton. This is nothing. I got a whole stack here that I'm going to unbox for the first time for both of us. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Now right off the bat, this is not the greatest packaging. I mean, this cardboard's alright, but the heavier cardboard is much better. So let's see what we got. I sort of remembered everything I ordered, and all this stuff is off eBay. Now, just so you know, I basically stopped collecting comic books in 1993. My collection runs from about 1961 to 1963. There are not much that I need. I collect mostly Marvel comics, some DC, depending on the artist, like Neil Adams, Bernie Wrightson, Jack Kirby. So I don't need much. This is all I need. That's all I need. It's not much. The numbers with the circles on them are ones that I have in a facsimile edition. So if I never get them, at least I have that. Okay, the first comic. Are we ready? Let me get rid of that cardboard. The first comic is X-Men 282. Get the glare off there. Which is the first cameo appearance of Bishop. Now, the reason I got this is because, in case you never know, Bishop might show up in the MCU. And a little tip, you want to grab these books before any kind of announcement or casting rumor, anything like that. And this is a beautiful copy. This is a nice copy. I'm very picky about grade. It's got to be like a very fine or better. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Well, I see maybe one slight spine tick that barely breaks color, but other than that, that one's a beauty. But I looked at the pictures before I bought them, so not a problem, not a problem. So we'll gently put that back in. Put that over there. Okay, now the next one, let's see. Oh, I know what this is. I get my facsimiles, which facsimiles are great because a lot of the issues that they replicate, most of them are not very affordable. So that's a great way to have the comic without spending hundreds or thousands of dollars. And I can't quite remember which one this is that I ordered. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I ordered 2 copies of She-Hulk 1. I have the original of this. I didn't need to get this because I didn't have the original. I have the original. So, as you can see how beautiful they are? I mean, except for the price. I wish they just put the price here and put the original price there. That would be a lot better. And the only other complaint I have about Marvel's facsimiles is that they don't use the the newsprint picture paper. They use the glossy paper. DC, they use the newsprint paper. So that's one thing that I like about DC over Marvel's facsimiles. Okay, next box. Let's see. Now, from what I remember, most of the stuff that I got was books that will probably have first appearances or important appearances before any announcement is done in Marvel. See, now this is the Gemini mailers, which is the best way to mail these books. Oh, okay. This isn't really, of course this. Now, they have painter's tape, which is the best tape, but they made this like Fort Knox, so I have to at least get the tape cut so I can get the book out in something that doesn't take 10 hours. So, okay, now, no, I'll give it to them. They really secured the book. Yeah, this is not first appearance or a spec book or important book, but I am finishing my run of Avengers West Coast. I have most of them, but I think in this load of packages I will have completed the run. This is number, what number is that? 69. So I won't bother taking that out, but you can see without glare that it's very fine to near mint, probably near mint. So we'll put that there. Okay. Next up, let's see what we got. Yeah, so what I'll do is, since I don't order a lot of books, I'll do some videos where I show off my runs. If it's a really long run, I'll do a 2-part video. Another Gemini mailer, which is always good. And I can already see painter's tape on this. And oh, look at this. Two backing boards over the comic and cardboard to protect it. So you can always use backing boards. So I'll use them. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready for this one. This is X-Men 244. Very fine to near mint. Get the glare off. And this is the first appearance of Jubilee, which I think, and rumor has it, that she will appear in a Marvel movie as soon as they get the X-Men off the ground in the MCU. I mean, that's going to be a while, but now's the time to get these books. And I had offered to buy this book from the dealer, and he wouldn't take the amount that I offered him. So it went to a bid. It went to an auction, and the auction only went to 50 cents above what I was going to pay him. So I ended up winning it anyway, so I paid 50 cents more. Big deal. He should have sold it to me. Should have sold it. Okay, next. Sturdy, so that's good. This one I could just rip. So we'll do that. So I'll try to juggle the videos where I'll do a comic video and then I'll do a movie video. So more than likely the next video I do will be about some Blu-rays that I bought. And this one is secured really well. Cardboard. And let's see. Oh, and this one is in. It's surrounded by a zillion backing boards. So let me see. Let me take this out. Oh, look at nice the way they secured 2 backing boards inside a bag. And let's see. Oh, okay. This is another run filler. It's not so much a key book or anything like that. But I just needed a couple of issues because I thought I had a full run of Thor, but when I went through them, I saw that 2 were missing. Like this one, 388. And again, I'll take it out. This is very fine and near mint because I'm picky. So, you know, you have to pay a little more when you're picky, but you know, I can't take creases, and I can't. Oh yeah, beautiful, perfect. So I forget what I pay for these things, but I'm very smart about watching and seeing the cheapest way to get the best ones. So, you know, I don't go on Whatnot and just react, or eBay and just react. I really look at every one that people are offering. Okay, here we go, another one. And let's see. Where the hell did he? Oh, okay, I got it. I got it. As long as I don't cut my hand off. Okay. Gemini mailer is always the best. Painter's tape. Can't go wrong. And let's see. Yeah, so anybody selling comics on eBay, painter's tape. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is, I know this is a key book, but I can't remember why. And I don't want to go online and bore you guys, you know, looking why. But this is X-Men 184. Get the glare off there. And I'll take it out. And again, near mint. After the video's done, I'll definitely oh yeah. After the video's done, I'll definitely look this back up again, but well, you could comment. Yeah. Perfect. Can't beat that. Okay. All right. You don't mail comics like this. I can even look flimsy. But luckily, it looks like there was no damage done. So I know this drives Chris at Journals Comics crazy. Oh, okay. Here we go. Another run filler for Thor, 438. Beautiful cover. Sif in the costume. Right, nice. So that wasn't a key book, but it is for me because it filled in a hole that I didn't realize I had. So this is not a great way to mail the. Oh, look at this. Well, it's cardboard, so it's cardboard and bubble wrap doesn't really do much if you don't package it right. See, now this should have been 2 pieces of cardboard and then put it in there. But no, they couldn't do that, could they? Cheap bastards. Okay, so. Okay. Well, didn't do it good enough. Alright. Oh, here we go. This is another key book, and I Trying to remember. I'm trying to remember why. Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. X-Men 199. First Rachel Summers as Phoenix. Now again, I'm buying these because I just, love the books anyway. But I'm jumping ahead of the curve just in case these characters show up. And, I can laugh about it when people are paying hundreds of dollars. So, alright, let's see. This is not bad. A polybag mailer over Gemini mailer. And let's see. Very good. Like Fort Knox. So, there we go. Okay. Oh, this is from New Katie. I've bought from them many times. Oh, okay. More run fillers. I didn't realize I ordered 2 books from them. So, alright, the first one is Avengers West Coast 91, right? 91. That's a nice book. And that's a very fine. Looks very fine and near mint to me, but okay. And the next one is another run filler. This is Thor 389. Fine plus the very fine. Take this out. I'm feeling something on the bottom and I don't like. That water damage? Oh boy. Yeah, it's like maybe some water damage. I don't know. But I'll just press that out. I'll press that out. Not a big deal. And that'll get it up to a very fine near mint. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, no, that's flimsy, but tons of cardboard, so whoever you are, you're forgiven. So. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, okay. Yep. Another key book. And this is, you ready? X-Men 164. Nice. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. And it's perfect. It's perfect. Perfect. Okay. Ahead of the curve on these because when these characters show up, it's too late. I mean, it's not too late. You can still buy them, but you're going to be paying like significantly more. So that's good. Over tons of cardboard. So good job, whoever you are. I forgot. I mean, I don't remember who sends me this stuff. I don't care. As long as it comes out nice. Tons of cardboard. Just attached to the. Yeah, because you don't want to bend the books while they're. Okay. Oh yeah. There were 2 issues of Amazing Spider-Man that I noticed I didn't have. And I have almost a complete run of Volume 1. So this is 340, which I was missing, and I remember I was missing another one. So that'll probably be in this pile too. And that's a great cover. That's Mark Bagley, right? Okay. We're almost done. I got 5 more. So I hope you're still with me and not bored. Yeah, so I was on the other channel, Son of Sam Truth with Manny Grossman, because we were investigating and we actually broke the case on the Son of Sam. I'll just kind of basically tell you that it wasn't multiple people doing the shootings, it was just him. And I would have never believed that. I would have never believed that years ago. But it's true, because we discovered a lot of documents and recordings that verified it all. But I would appreciate if you go over that channel and check it out. I'm on many of the videos because I knew one of the victims. So, okay. Oh, okay, here we go. These are 4 more run fillers from my Avengers West Coast. So, let me get them in order. Okay. So, I got a complete run now. And these are all like near mint. So we have number 77. Number 83. This is a nice cover. 84. And that's nice too. 101. Okay. All near mint. That's how I roll. Near mint. So let's see what's in here. I'm almost as surprised as you, seeing what books these are, because I don't remember everything I ordered until I look at it with you. So I don't know. I don't know. So let's see. Oh, okay, another run filler. I think this is the last run filler for Amazing Spider-Man, number 285, and that's a great cover. Punisher. And again, near mint. Very fine. At the minimum, very fine. Okay, now this is, you do not package shit like this. You do not do that. And then no good. But luckily, it doesn't seem like there was damage, so. Well, thank God for that, because the post office, we won't go into that. Okay, let's see. Is 2 here or 1? No, I think it's just a lot of backing boards. At least they did that. So, let's see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, this kind of tape, it just ruins the bags if you're not careful. Oh, okay. Now this is a key book. This is a key book. Are we ready? Uncanny X-Men 221, first appearance, Mr. Sinister. And this is another villain, Mr. Sinister, that is very heavily rumored to be in the MCU. It might be a while before we see him, but this book, because of the strong rumors, is already going up. But I got it at a good price, so not a problem. Not a problem. Okay. 2 left. 2 left. I don't like this, but heavy cardboard. That's the cardboard you want to pack comics in. That is the cardboard you want to pack comics in. So, let's see. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, knocked over my microphone. Okay, this is a big one. This is another villain that is heavily rumored to be in the MCU. When the X-Men start their films, X-Men 283, Uncanny X-Men 283, the first full appearance of Bishop. Right? First full appearance of Bishop. And beautiful, beautiful book. Like a near mint. And I like that cover's nice. That cover's nice. Okay. In my hand is the last package. The last package. Alright, stop clapping. Stop clapping. Alright, let's see. Gemini mailer again, perfect. Painter's tape, perfect. That's how you mail a book. Oh, yeah, okay. Another key book, another character heavily rumored to appear in the MCU. And beautiful cover. Beautiful copy. X-Men 256, Psylocke. So, here we go. Psylocke. So, I'm getting ahead of everybody, or most people, in buying these books. And I normally wouldn't have bought them, but I may as well, you know, add some X-Men to the collection, because I kind of ended my run at 150, but there's some, you know, there's some nice issues like those that I'm going to, you know, fill in and, you know, just add to the collection. You know, the thing about these, the movies, I love the movies, and you know, but the movies, unfortunately, along with grading, it makes the hobby very difficult for collectors to afford books. So, you know, it makes it harder. So, it is what it is. So you have to kind of, you know, use your research and try to get these books before there's any rumors. You know, that's why I'm trying to fill in, you know, runs and get everything as soon as possible. You see that I don't have much that I need. And just to give you a backstory, I had sold my entire collection, and I had just about everything in 1991 because I wanted to finish my basement in my house. Stupid. So I had to buy everything all over again. But luckily, I'm not that far. The only runs I don't have, I mean, I'll have the whole Marvel Silver to Copper Age or early Copper Age runs, except for things like Sergeant Fury and Rom, Micronauts, Luke Cage. I wasn't a big fan of Luke Cage, but I will collect the 2 or 3 John Byrne issues. So, and so this way I don't keep going on and bore you. I'll end this video now, and thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.